millions.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a happy Tuesday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some heavy rain headed our way for the day tomorrow. But before we get to that, we're dealing with a little bit of a calm before the storm here in downtown Utica right now. 43 degrees, a light wind out of the east at 6 miles an hour, making it feel like 39. That wind will also be on the rise as we head through tomorrow. But as far as temperatures right now are concerned, with the exception of Inlet at 38, we have temperatures into the lower and middle 40s for most of us. Little Falls also is at 38 right now. And as far as the radar is concerned, we do have a couple of light rain or snow showers through northern Hamilton County. In this green box, I'll talk more about that in a second. That's a flood watch in effect during the day tomorrow. But as far as this storm system, where it is right now, you can see here it's working its way through the middle section of the country. So we're talking about areas like Chicago, St. Louis, down toward Little Rock, Memphis, New Orleans. That impacted some Mardi Gras plans there with the severe weather, and that's going to continue throughout the evening. One of the main risks from this storm that you'll be hearing about in the national headlines is the tornadoes, and that risk continues through this evening as well. So we're talking about portions of Alabama, Mississippi, Jackson, and New Orleans, as I mentioned, even Mobile, Alabama, Birmingham included in that as well. We're not talking about severe weather here, but what we are talking about is some heavy rain. You combine the snow depth that we have out there right now with this heavy rain and warmer temperatures, and that could produce some localized flooding, especially in Oneida and Lewis counties, where we have this flood watch in green per the National Weather Service, starting at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and it goes through 5 p.m. on Thursday, although I think most of the precip will be done with by that point. There might just be some standing water left over. In terms of the rainfall that we're talking about, the heaviest rain, as I mentioned, will likely be to the north of the Mohawk Valley. Oneida as well as Lewis County could see as much as an inch to maybe an inch and a half of rain there. A little bit less down toward the south, but still, you combine the rain with the fact that we still have in many places around, if not just over a foot of snow, maybe even more than that. We could be looking at some localized river and stream flooding, especially in those flood-prone areas as we head through tomorrow and through Thursday as well. The winds today were not too bad. On average, we had gusts around 20 miles an hour out of the south and southeast, but that will be on the rise as we head through the day tomorrow, especially to the south of the Mohawk Valley, where we could see wind gusts exceed or around 35 miles an hour at times. But again, the wind is not the big story with this storm system. We'll be dealing with a lot of clouds tonight, during the day tomorrow, dealing with moderate to heavy rain at times throughout the day. And then as we head toward tomorrow evening, it quiets down temporarily, but then as this storm makes its exit, it'll pull in another round of rain late tomorrow night into Thursday morning, and we could see a little bit of snow to end it as well. So wet and warmer for tomorrow, 50 degrees for the high, 43 on Thursday, with rain changing over to snow, especially later on in the day. And then we'll just be left with windy conditions on Friday as the storm continues to pull away, and mostly cloudy skies out there as well. Saturday, there will be some morning snow showers, and temperatures much cooler by that point, 31 for the high, and mainly cloudy on Sunday, Thomas, with a high of 30 degrees. Back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at